Hey there, in the screencast, I'm going to show you how you can app smash three of my favorite apps, PicEdu, Chatterpix, and Green Screen by DoInk to make it look like you have your favorite character just hanging out in the room with you. So what I usually do is start in PicEdu with a picture of a green screen, and I make that the background, and then I grab my photo of my character, and I press the two little arrows there at the top, and I press cut out. And then I use the scissor tool to cut out around the body. And as you're cutting, you can kind of be a little rough with this because sometimes it will fix it for you. Okay, and it'll make a couple suggestions. You choose one, and then you can fine tune it by adding or erasing parts to the picture. When you're finished, you put that in there and resize to the size that you would like, press done, and save that to your library. And now you're ready for your step two of this process. You're going to take the photo that you just edited and you're going to put it into Chatterpix. So you're going to take photo. That's going to open up your camera. Hey, you're going to press the little camera or the photo area down on the left. Choose the picture that you just edited. You can kind of move it up and down a little bit. Press next, draw a little line over top the mouth, and then record by pressing the red microphone. Okay, once you're satisfied with your recording, you can press through until you see the area where you can save to your camera roll. And once it's saved to your camera roll, you're ready for your next step. Your next step where you're gonna actually create your layered effect in the DoInk app green screen. So I'm just going to press the plus to create a new project. And in my top layer, I'm going to drop that quick video that I just made. Okay, and I'm actually going to press that and resize it a little bit because I want it to look like it's off to the side. And I'm going to cut out that Chatterpix area. Okay, and then I'm going to keep going, and after that, I'm going to put just a still image, so something's still on the scene. So I'll go to image, and I'm going to pull that image that I made, and I'm going to resize and kind of try to put it about where I had the other one. And then drag my start line back, and on the middle layer, I'm going to add video or camera. This will be the live camera. It's going to be facing me. Now you can see it looks like Charlotte is right here in the room with me, and I can resize that also if I need to. Or if I make it bigger, you'd probably want somebody to record this for you, but then you just record and you'll see her mouth moving and you'll know not to talk, and then you can talk after that. So I'm just going to go to record. Charlotte, we know that you're just an inventor, and we love the book Dolly 0.10. You should totally check it out. Okay, if I'm happy with my recording, I just press save to camera roll, and I'm done. My name is Charlotte, and even though my parents think I'm fully plugged in, I'm actually really an inventor. Charlotte, we know that you're just an inventor, and we love the book Dolly 0.10. You should totally check it out.